Hi guys, welcome to Sons of Cain. We're here at our dojo in Titchfield, and today we're going to do a bit of a pressure test on a system that we've done a video before on. This is a lead on from our cover drill before. We're going to pressure test it. Bit of light contact to start with, one opponent, then two, then three. So this isn't going to be full on pressure, that will come later.
Thanks for watching guys, that was our basic cover drill. As the weeks go on, we'll increase intensity, add in the counters, traps and throws. Just so you know, no kevs were harmed in the making of this video.
The drill was really good, effective, stopped a lot of punches, of course hit me in the ribs a few times, but it was really good.
Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, share, tell us what you think, hit the like, and we'll see you next time.